Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got a handful of pocket knives to show you. Just pulled these out of the drawer and thought we'd give these a look. We got an Opinel from France. This is a number 5, it looks like there. It has no locking mechanism on this one. Some of them have twists where it will lock it out. So you got to be careful if you put this in your pocket. Got a little 2-blade jackknife here. Let's see. Does this say Colonial? Yeah, it looks like a Colonial. Got some plastic faux jig bone there. Half stop. USA. Got a rope cutting knife. Let's see here. We get, I think it's Camillus. Stainless USA. S702. I need to give this a little attention. I really like this knife. And I think I bought this for like $7 back in the day. Well, I never noticed it has a little crack there, dang it. Still cool though. Got a mother of pearl. I think this is the Boker. Is this? Let's see here. Yeah, this is the Boker. Got the little swedge there. The long nail nick. Equal ends. Good snap still. Boker USA. This one got the anvil there. And where is that maker's mark? Oh, there we go. It's kind of hard to see. Let me zoom in here. Anvil USA. Oh, another crack there. This one was a Lone Ranger knife. Pocket knife. You can't really see any of the markings anymore. Maybe barely. You can see L-O-N-E, Lone Ranger. Barely you can see it right there. Little jackknife. Camco. And got this, got some kind of a strange jigging pattern on this bone here. This is from Japan. Oop. PIC, stainless Japan. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.